Today we are cooking a delicious warm tuna, quinoa and vegetable salad. We require 1 cup of quinoa, half a block of feta cheese, a small avocado, half a punnet of tomatoes, half a cucumber, 2 frozen or fresh cups of spinach, salt and pepper, 2 tins of olive oil tuna, parsley to garnish. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're just chopping the tomatoes into small pieces and cucumber. Cooking the quinoa, you can rinse it as according to instructions and cooking it according to instructions. In the meantime, preparing the rest of the stuff. We are just breaking down the feta with our fingers, mushing in the avocado or roughly chopping it in, and keeping an eye on the quinoa. We know when it's cooked, when the tail is out and it's not white inside. We're adding 2 cans of tuna. Notice the brand, it has olive oil and it tastes delicious. Highly recommend. Otherwise you can use spring water tuna or another kind of protein, but it's super salty and provides good quality olive oil for us. So dumping both the olive oil and the tuna in, sifting the quinoa, keeping it warm and just placing it over the bowl with ingredients, stirring it in with the spinach. So I've used frozen spinach, doesn't matter, it can be frozen or fresh, stirring it in with a spoon, nice and gently, just folding it in really. The spinach melts into the quinoa, so does the feta cheese. Ingredients bring out their flavors. It is super exciting and your taste buds will be going wild right now. You can add a little bit of salt and cracked pepper for flavor, that is optional. Adding in some fresh parsley to garnish, and voila, enjoy.